Alright, we're all about safety here. We're out here at night tonight, doing a night job, replacing some storm sewer line because it's been leaking all over this place over here.
And then should we tape off
There. And right there. You know how to drive this thing, man? You know what? There's a... Anyway, we are good over here. Tape this up and we're about to go to town on the rest of this place. Oh boy.
Somebody has to do it.
That's where these are coming from.
Yeesh.
Okay, we're replacing those. Rhymesicle right there. Look at that. Taking off the drywall from the other side. Check out what's here. It's a super rotted fitting. All of this stuff is so brittle that it just breaks easily. You can see all the cracks coming out. And we got our top performing cleaner right here. Sitting down at a job site is for real cats. While the guys are putting in the pipe, we're helping them clean up the insulation. And you can see that Lawson and Michael are putting in this XFR over here. Straight. And now it's done.